This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the driver's door and pull the bonnet release handle. Pull out the safety catch and lift the bonnet. Unclip the support prop and engage the end with the holes in the underside of the bonnet. Fully apply the handbrake and place chocks each side of the rear wheel. Position the jack head under the reinforced section of the door sill flange and raise the vehicle until the wheel is clear of the ground. Support the vehicle with an axle stand under the reinforced section of the sill flange. Rotate the oil filler cap anti-clockwise and remove it. Place a suitable container under the engine sump. Slacken and remove the sump drain plug, allowing the oil to drain into the container. Remove the old sealing washer from the drain plug. Clean the plug and fit a new sealing washer. Mop away any spilled oil. Then refit the drain plug and tighten it to the specified torque. Reposition the container to under the oil filter location. Then, using a filter removal tool, slacken and remove the filter. Be prepared for oil spillage. Clean the sealing face on the cylinder block and check if the filter rubber sealing ring is stuck in place on the mating surface. If it is, remove it. Lubricate the rubber sealing ring of the new filter with clean engine oil. Manoeuvre the filter into position, then tighten it securely by hand only. Don't use any tools. If a genuine Vauxhall filter is being fitted, it can be tightened to the specified torque using a special socket that fits over the end of the filter. Remove the container from beneath the filter. Remove the axle stand and lower the vehicle to the ground. Using a funnel to minimise spillage, add the correct grade of oil to the engine. Add the oil a little at a time, checking the level on the dipstick frequently. Bring the level up to the minimum mark on the dipstick, then add a further 1 litre to bring the level up to the maximum mark. With the level correct, securely refit the filler cap and dipstick. Start the engine and run it for a few minutes while checking for leaks around the oil filter seal and the sump drain plug. Note that there may be a delay of a few seconds before the low oil pressure warning light goes out when the engine is first started, as the oil circulates through the new oil filter and the engine oil galleries before pressure builds up. Stop the engine, then recheck the oil level and top up as necessary. Disengage the support prop and clip it back into place. Firmly close the bonnet and check it's secure.